friends, remember how I told you about the ladybug life cycle and that lots of ladybugs are being born at this time? Well, remember I told you there's a little bug that crawls around, it's kind of long and orange and black. And then when it finds a resting place, it curls up. It curls up into a ball, just like here. Do you see the little orange bug here? That is a larva, and it's curling up and it's getting rounder and rounder. And over here is another one. It's curling up, getting round and round and round. And when it has turned into a ladybug, it crawls out and looks like that, the ladybug. And what does it leave behind? That little orange and black shell where it became the ladybug, it's just like a little skin. It molted. It crawled out of this and leaves this behind, and this one is a brand new ladybug. Enjoying the sunshine, enjoying the springtime, enjoying that now they have wings. From bug to ladybug. That's the life cycle of the ladybug. I hope you can get outside and find some ladybugs. Here's another one already very, very happy to crawl around. And here's another one. Yeah, all these ladybugs were born in your preschool backyard. There's another ladybug. So many just on this tiny little piece of fence at your preschool. More. That's the molted skin. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you today. Have a wonderful day, my friends.